Today, we're going to help you to take control of your iPhone email inbox with our top tips and settings for email management. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to stay updated with our latest iPhone tutorial and tips. Let's dive in. Step 1. Configure mailbox setting. First, let's configure your mailbox settings. How to do this? You can go to the setting and then select email, select mail. Then you can select account. From here, you can add or delete email account, and also you can adjust your email fetch setting. How to do this? Choose fetch new data, and you can set the schedule according to your preferences. You can also enable or disable push to control when new emails are delivered to your device. Step 2. Customize swipe option. Next, let's customize your swipe option. Go to setting and then go to go to mail. Then select swipe option. Here, you can set different action for swiping left or right on an email, such as mark as read, flag, or archive. You can customize this option to suit your email management style. Step 3. Organize email with folder. To keep your inbox organized, use folder. In the Mail app, you can tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen, and then tap New Mailbox. You can give your new folder a name, for example, My Mail. And then you can choose a location, and then to move email to a folder, you can tap Edit in the inbox, open the inbox, and then tap Edit. You can select the email you want to move. You can select more than one and then tap Move to choose the desired folder. I will move this to My Mail folder. Then, your selected email will move to the selected folder. We can check on the folder here, My Mail here. As you can see, the selected email will move to here. Step 4. Use filter and VIP list. You can filter your email to focus on the most important one. Open the Mail app and then you can see filter. There are some options like a flag email, unread email, VIP email, and so on. Additionally, you can create a VIP list to prioritize email from specific contact. To do this, you can open to the mailbox and then select VIP and then tap Add VIP. After that, you can select the contact. Step 5. Unsubscribe from unwanted email. To reduce clutter, you can unsubscribe from unwanted email. You can open an email from a sender you no longer want to receive message from. Scroll to the bottom and then tap Unsubscribe. And you can see Unsubscribe button here. Just tap on this. This will unsubscribe the selected contact to give you or sending you email in the future. Step 6. Use Siri for email management. Lastly, you can use Siri to help manage your email. Just simply ask Siri to read your new emails and send an email to a specific contact or search for email from a particular sender. Siri can be a real time saver when it comes to email management. And that's it. With these tips and settings, you will have a clutter-free and well-organized iPhone email inbox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!